Hello, Player One Taco coming to you live from Los Angeles, day 0 of RenderCon, and we are here with the one and only
Tristan Relly from Render Foundation.
Tristan, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm great, Taco. How are you doing?
Amazing. I've had a lot of Red Bull, so I'm good. We were just talking, and one of the things that you really sort of hit on of what's special about RenderCon is the focus of RenderCon compared to other conferences. Not talking shit about other conferences, but like there's 1,000 things going on at a conference. What's special?
So RenderCon is really, it's targeted for the audience that are here. We've got great content. We've got incredible talk speakers coming here to talk and present. Great visuals. I've had some sneak previews, and I'm super excited to soak some of that up. I think it's bringing people together that are going to have a lot of good conversations.
Yeah.
There's a real good kind of meshing of interests. We've got parties coming together on the AI side as that touches with digital content creation and all of that's happening right now. So it's a good time for it.
And so far, it's been a real big blend of of Web 2 artists and visual designers and creators that you know are either using Render or looking at Render in some way, shape, or form. And so Render does a really good job of blending being a Web 3 product for Web 2 users.
Yeah, that's a really interesting observation you make, and it's an interesting challenge for us because in some ways the overlap is not necessarily always that large, and a lot of the artists who use the rendering products that go through to the network don't necessarily have any sort of crypto native nature or interest, and so the product actually works very well for non-crypto native users, and as perhaps is the real place for blockchain to fit. It's the back-end provider of infrastructure, and the user of the product doesn't really need to know how that all works.
All right. And for those that are new to Render, what is Render?
Render is it's essentially a collaboration of hardware providers, GPU providers, a lot of whom themselves are artists, and users of those GPUs who are digital content creators, which could be individual studios creating digital content or even producing movies. Mm-hmm. And then the software that makes that all talk together. And I like to look forward to the future of potentially expanding those network partnerships to the likes of Manifest, you know. If I can throw that in there, yeah. And hopefully in a few days we can speak a little bit more affirmatively about that. Nice.
And one of the things here, so we are in beautiful LA on a wonderful location. I am amazed by it. But
great views.
There's going to be some Hollywood stuff going on tomorrow at RenderCon, isn't there?
I'm not a Hollywood guy, but it looks very Hollywood to me.
All right.
I took a little backstage tour. It's looking fantastic. I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
So, for those that are in LA, RenderCon, come join us, have a little fun, and tomorrow, the 15th here, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, looking forward and great chatting with you.
All right. As always, we'll see you on the flip side.